Hello everyone, it's Dr. J here, and today on my channel we're delving into a topic that lies at the core of personal development, mastering emotional intelligence. Join me as we explore the significance of emotional intelligence, the science behind it, and practical tips and exercises to enhance self-awareness and cultivate a healthier relationship both in the workplace and in our personal lives. Let's start by understanding what emotional intelligence really is. Emotional intelligence, often referred to as EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the ability to perceive and influence the emotions of others. It plays a crucial role in various aspects of our lives, impacting our relationships, work, and overall well-being. If you find my content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel so that I can continue to give you more insightful content. So, emotional intelligence is divided into 4 components: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. Today, we'll be focusing on the first 2, self-awareness and self-management. Now, you might be wondering, why is emotional intelligence so important? The science behind it is quite compelling. Research consistently shows that individuals with higher emotional intelligence are more likely to succeed in various areas of life, be it academic achievement, career success, or just maintaining healthy relationships. Studies indicate that individuals with high emotional intelligence are better at handling stress, have stronger interpersonal skills, and are generally more resilient in the face of life's challenges. In the workplace, leaders with high emotional intelligence are often more effective in motivating and inspiring their teams. Let's explore some of the theories behind emotional intelligence. One of the pioneering theories comes from psychologist Daniel Goleman, who proposed that emotional intelligence consists of a set of skills that included self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These skills, when combined, form a powerful toolkit for navigating the complexities of human interactions. Goleman's model emphasizes the importance of both personal and social competence, highlighting how they intertwine to create a well-rounded individual with high emotional intelligence. So now let's zoom in on that first component, self-awareness. This is the foundation of emotional intelligence. To master self-awareness, it's crucial to understand and recognize our own emotions. Here are some insights on how you can enhance your self-awareness. Self-awareness begins with introspection. Take time each day to reflect on your emotions and the events that triggered them, both amazing emotions and difficult ones. Journaling can be a powerful tool for this. Additionally, mindfulness practices such as meditation can help you become more attuned to your thoughts and emotions in the present moment. Now let's dive into some practical tips for building self-awareness. First and foremost, practice active listening. Pay close attention to your thoughts and feelings during conversations. This not only enhances self-awareness, but also improves communication skills. Another effective technique is to seek feedback from others. Constructive feedback provides valuable insights in how others perceive us, helping us align our self-perception with external perspectives. Moving on to the second component of emotional intelligence, self-management. Once we're aware of our emotions, the next step is learning how to navigate them effectively. Here's how you can improve your self-management skills. Self-management involves regulating our emotions in a way that allows us to respond appropriately to different situations. A key practice is developing emotional resilience. This involves recognizing that setbacks and challenges are a part of life and learning how to bounce back from them. Now, let's explore some exercises to help you build your self-management skills. One effective exercise is the emotional check-in. Take a few minutes each day to assess your emotional state. Are you feeling stressed, anxious, or content? This self-awareness can guide you in managing your emotions more effectively. Another valuable exercise is creating a stress-busting toolkit. In other words, identify activities or strategies that help you de-stress, whether it's taking a walk, practicing deep breathing, or engaging in a creative hobby. Shifting gears now to the social components of emotional intelligence, let's discuss empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share feelings of others. How does empathy contribute to building stronger relationships, both in the workplace and personal life? Empathy is the glue that holds relationships together. It allows us to connect with others on a deeper level, fostering understanding and mutual respect. In the workplace, empathetic leaders create a positive and collaborative environment, leading to increased productivity and job satisfaction. Empathy is indeed a cornerstone of healthy relationships. So now let's touch on communication skills, which is another vital aspect of emotional intelligence. Effective communication involves not only expressing ourselves clearly, but also actively listening to others. Here's a visual representation of the key elements of communication: clarity, active listening, and nonverbal cues. Mastering these elements can significantly improve our ability to connect with others. To wrap up, let's share some practical tips for enhancing your communication skills. First, practice assertiveness. Express your thoughts and feelings confidently while respecting the opinions of others. Additionally, be mindful of your own nonverbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions, as they play a crucial role in conveying your emotions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering the self aspect of emotional intelligence. We've explored the importance of emotional intelligence, we dove into the science and theories behind it, and we provided some practical tips and exercises to enhance self-awareness and foster healthier relationships. If you want to know more about emotional intelligence and the social awareness and the relationship management, see my next video, which is part 2 on emotional intelligence. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, this is Dr. J signing off.